Budgie Care Guide for Beginners at Why Broken Borrow. If you're bringing home a budgie, parakeet, for the first time, here are some important care tips to ensure your pet stays happy and healthy. 1. Idiorasis AF pound cage setup environment. Spacious cage. Minimum size should be 18 by 18 by 18 inches for one budgie. Perches toys. Provide natural wooden perches, swings, and chew toys to keep them active. Safe location. Keep the cage away from direct sunlight, strong winds, and noisy areas. 2. Idiorasis AF pound healthy diet nutrition. Balanced food. Budgies need a mix of seeds, fresh vegetables, fruits, and pellets. Avoid toxic foods. Never give chocolate, avocado, caffeine, or salty foods. Fresh water. Always provide clean drinking water daily. 3. Idiorasis AF pound socialization bonding. Budgies are social birds and love interaction. Talk to them daily. If you have one budgie, give it lots of attention or consider getting a second budgie. Be patient when taming. Start with hand feeding and gentle training. 4. Idiorasis AF pound exercise playtime. Allow free flight outside the cage in a safe, enclosed space daily. Provide mirrors, ladders, and foraging toys to keep your budgie entertained. 5. Idiorasis AF pound health hygiene. Clean the cage at least once a week to prevent infections. Watch for signs of illness like fluffed top feathers, loss of appetite, or difficulty breathing. Provide a shallow water dish or use a spray bottle for bathing. 6. Idiorasis AF pound training talking. Budgies can learn tricks and even mimic words with consistent training. Use gentle, positive reinforcement like treats and praises,